Morning, students. Today's our mathematics class is of mathematics class is of the topic of basic geometry. In the basic geometry topic, we'll be discussing about angles, points, and lines, and problem related to these one. Okay, so let's check it out. What is inside the basic geometry, the basic concepts. The first we will be discussing about acute angles. Acute angles are those angles which are less than 90 degrees. And about obtuse angle. Obtuse angle are right angle. Right angle are those which are of 90 degree, exact 90 degree are right angle. And about obtuse angle are those which are more than 90 but less than 180 degree. So if the angle is less than 180 degree, whether it is 189, it is 179, it is less than 180. So 179 is obtuse, 91 is obtuse, 90 is exactly right angle, 91 is obtuse, 92 is obtuse, 100 is obtuse, 120 is obtuse, 130 is obtuse, and 160 is obtuse, 170 is obtuse, 179 is obtuse angle, but 180 is straight angle. It is also called straight angle. I am not writing here because straight angle is not is of that is called something is a different angle. So this is obtuse angle. Now come to the reflex angle. So reflex angle is of those angles which are more than 180 degree. Means 181 is of reflex angle, 270 is one reflex angle, 300 is reflex angle, 330 is reflex angle, and 359 is reflex angle. But till 360. So 360 will be the complete angle, that will not be reflex angle, but below that 360, that means 359 is reflex angle and 358 is reflex angle. These all are reflex angle, means all those angles which are above than 180 and less than 360 are of reflex angle. Now about these are the purple angle. You can see that these are of different color, and the rest four are of different color. What the meaning of this? It's meaning that these first four angles are of single angle, and the rest angles are of the pair of angles. So we'll see that what these pair of angles are. One is of complementary angles. So complementary angles are those one or more angles which whose sum is 90. Okay.
Clear.
Now, so complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. So let's check it out that what type of angles are of complementary angles. Now I'm showing one few of the examples. Here you can see that we have this type of angle. Let's see. This is a 90 degree, and if there is 20 degree and then 70 degree. So this is of complementary angle because 70 plus 20 is 90 degree. So that's why it is of complementary angle. Okay. So now come to the point again. Come to the slide. Now in the slide we'll be looking for complementary angle we discussed. Now supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are those two angles or more angles whose sum is of 180 degree. So in this example you can see one angle is of 140 degree, the other is of 40 degree, and the sum is of 180 degrees. So that's why their angle is of their these pair is called supplementary angles. Okay. So like this, we will be doing it. Okay. Now, next one, angles at a point. All those angles which are making complete angles all around are called angles at a point, and these are of 360 degree. These all are of 360 degree. Okay, so that's why these are called of angles at a point, or sometimes we can also call them at complete angle. Okay, now the next is vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles are those angles whenever two lines crosses each other, two lines are crosses each other, so there are pair of opposite angles are formed. So you can see that blue color is equal to the green color. Blue color is equal to the green color, so that's why they are opposite angles, and their value is 35, so the other value is also 35. So that's why this blue and green are vertically opposite angle. Now come to the another pair of angle. Yellow color is equal to the light purple color, so these two angles are of 140 degree, and that's why these are also vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle of 145 is 145. Vertically opposite angle of 35 degree is 35 degree. This is all of vertically opposite angle. And one more point in this you may remember, that these are also angle at a point, because if you will be adding these all numbers, that will give you 360 degree. Let's check it out. 35, 145 and 145. So let's check it out that are the sum is 360 or not. So let's check it out. If you'll be adding these all, the angle was like this: 35, 35, 145, 145. So let's check it out. 5, 35, 145, 145. So let's check it out. 5 plus 20, huh? And 6.
रुकिए,
Yes,
आपकी स्क्रीन रुकिए.
रुक गई है. चलें इसको दोबारा देख लेते हैं. Could you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So now we have done addition of this. Now this is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 2 is 16, and 1 is remaining. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 360 degree. So 360 degree is a complete angle. So these are also angle at a point. So vertically angles are made whenever two lines crosses each other, as well as, so they are also vertically opposite angles, as well as angle at a point, means complete angle they are making. But angle at a point and vertically opposite angle are not the same at the same time. For example, this is also angle at a point, but these are not vertically opposite angle. These are not vertically opposite angle. So this is of 30, this is of 20, this is of 100, this is of 50, this is of some 40. So like this, you may see these types of angles, and their sum will be of different type of angles. Let's suppose this is of 50 degree. So like this, and there are some other type of angles. So these are all angle at a point, but these are not vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are only those angles whenever two lines intersect each other, and then opposite angles are equal, and these are all vertically opposite angles. Okay. Now come to the point again. Slide is there. So we have seen this. Now come to the classification. Now we need to classify. You will be telling me that whether these angles are acute, obtuse, or reflex. What about this angle? Is it of more than 190 or less than 90 or more than 180? What category it is?
More than 90.
More than 90. So more than 90 is acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Obtuse.
Well done. So this is obtuse angle. Now come to another example. What about this angle? Is it more than
Reflex.
90 or more than 180?
More
It is,
than
yes,
180.
more than 180. So what type of angle it is?
Reflex.
Reflex angle. Well done.
Reflex.
So now there's another one. What about this one? More than
Less
90?
than 90.
Less than 90.
Less
And
degree. Acute
good.
angle.
So acute
Acute.
angle. Well done. You're right. Now, so we have done about it. Now, what about 181 degree? Is it acute, obtuse, or reflex?
Reflex.
Reflex. And that's all. You can't see it? Okay, let me see it again, show it again. Now, could you see it now?
No, sir.
No? Okay, I would advise you to please quit now and rejoin it now again. Okay? So hopefully your problem will be resolved. Because rest of the students, could you see the slide?
Yes.
Okay, then it's no
Yes.
problem. Saad, you may quit the class and you may rejoin it. So I'll be allowing you. Okay. Okay. Now what about 180 degree? It is reflex, obtuse, or acute?
Reflex.
Reflex angle.
Reflex.
Good. Okay, good. Now what about 89 degree?
Acute.
Acute angle. Good. Acute. Well done. So what about this angle? 124.
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle. Good. 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 So now come to the next one. Now pair of angles. We have done about acute, obtuse, and reflex angle. Now we'll see the pair of angle. Complementary angles. So complementary angle of 20. We know that complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. So what the other angle should be whose sum will be of 90 degree? Because we are discussing about complementary angle. Yes.
70 degree.
70 degree. Well done. How? Let's see now how we'll do another way. Let's check it out. I'm showing the way. We have a 20 degree, and we need to find out the complementary angle
70.
of the other, which make 90 degree. So we can do one thing: 90 minus 20 minus this angle. So we'll get the another angle, and 9 minus 2 is 70. So 70 degree is our complementary angle. Okay. So if we have 73 degree and we are asked to find the complementary angle, so what we'll be doing? We'll be subtracting from 90. So 90 minus 73 will be our complementary angle. So now carry forward, it becomes 8. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 8 minus 7 is 1. So this 73's complementary angle is 17 degree. Getting it now? Okay.
Yeah.
Now come to the point on the slide. We'll be looking for the next one. There is 49 degree. Now, could anyone tell me about the complementary of 49 degree? Try it.
Sir, 41. Sir, 41.
41. 41. Great. You have done it. And what else? Who else is there? Saad?
40.
Saad is here now. Let the Saad will come. Okay, Saad will be coming, then I'll be allowing him. Okay, no problem at all. Now, 49 degree is okay. 1 degree. 1 degree is
Sir,
complementary angle.
89.
89.
89.
89. Good. All of you are right. So what about 88 degree?
2. Sir, 2.
2. What else? Who else? Rest of 2 degree? Yes, 2 degree is right. Because 2 plus 88 is 90 degrees, so this is a complementary angle. You're great one. Now come to the find the supplementary angle. And what mean by supplementary angle? Supplementary angle are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Okay? Supplementary angle. And now we need to find out the supplementary angle. Now let's see. What about this 30 degrees? So what we'll be doing? We'll be doing the same way that 30 degree plus what will make 180 degree. Now we'll see that how we'll be doing it mathematically.
Sir, minus
First of
करेंगे
all,
ना?
yes, we have to do
Sir,
it like
sir,
yes, 30 degree
150.
plus what is yes 150. Well done, well done. You are right. Good one. Good enough. You're good one. Okay. Now what we do? The previous one was 180 minus 30 degree. We may get it answer
150.
0 and 8 minus 3 is 5 and 1. So you are right. It is of 150 degree is the answer. Okay. So now this is of supplementary. This is of supplementary angle. Now come to the slide again. Now I'm asking there are some more question. Now let's check it out. What about 140 degree? Supplementary angle of 140 degree.
40 degree.
40
40.
degree. Well done.
40.
What about 1 degree?
1 degree.
1 degree.
179.
179.
179. Well done. So now what about 89 degree? This is a little bit complicated, huh? Check it
Sir,
out.
नहीं. Sir, कोई नहीं complicate.
Okay.
कर ले.
So find out.
Sir, 1.
No, this is a complementary angle. We are asking about supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. So subtract from 180.
109. 109.
So let's check it out. Let's check it
101.
out. Check
Yes.
it out. Okay, let's check it out.
101.
It was 89, huh? And plus what is 180? So what we'll be doing? 180 minus 89, huh? So what will we
Sir,
do?
हमने
We'll carry, it becomes 7 and 10 minus 9 is 1 and 7 minus 8 could not be possible, so we'll take carry 1. So it becomes 17 minus 8 is 19. So the answer is of
91.
91 degree. Now you understand hopefully, huh?
Yes.
So now come to the next one. Next one is about done supplementary angles. Now we'll be solving about the problem, Victoria problem of supplementary angle. Now let's check it out. This is of one shape. You can see this shape, and what this shape is. This shape is making of straight line angle. This is a case of supplementary angle. Huh? So what to do with this type of shape? So let's check it out. How will we solve this now?
Sir, हम
Will we solve
180 को 118 से minus करेंगे.
Yes, because we know that this complete is of a straight angle 180 degrees. So we'll say that x plus 118 is of 180 degree, and we'll be subtracting
62.
118 from here. So that will be yes. So x is equal 180 minus 118 and x is equal 62 degree. Well done, sir. Rafi, you're doing great job. And rest of you are also doing great job. Well done, boys. Now come to Now another problem is waiting for you is what about this one? Now
सर हम 180 को
is
55 एंड 40 से माइनस
90
करेंगे।
degree?
Sir, 90. Sir, 90. Sir, x is equal to 90.
X is
No,
90
no, no.
degree?
Sir, x is equal to 95.
90. Okay.
5,
Yes.
95.
This is X. Okay. Now, you are right. Saad, you are right. Great job. And what was making us confused? What was making us confused? You can see that this looks like 90 degree, but this is not
Sir,
90.
x is equal to.
Until and unless,
Sir, it
until and
is
unless
not 90,
if
but
there is
it
a
is
sample of
85.
square. If there is a sample of a square,
Sir, it's 85.
then we say that this is of 90 degree. If it is not given, then we can't say that this is of 90 degree, and we'll be doing the same way as we have done earlier, that this is of 180 degree. So x plus 55
Sir, it is
plus
85.
40
85.
is equal
85.
180 degree, and then
85.
we'll be subtracting
85.
yes.
Sir,
So x is equal 180 minus 40 minus 55 is equal 85. You are right.
Yep.
You're right. And Saad, you are close enough, and you are right. Everyone is right. Thank you for your participation. I'm very happy to see this now. Now, what about the next one? This is now about this. This is a problem which also needs algebra to solve. Now you can see that this is a problem which looks like algebraic equation, and we need to solve this. First one angle is of 2x plus 3 and the other is x minus 6. And we know that now we need to solve. How will we solve it? Let's check it out. We know that sum of these angle is of 180 degree. So we'll say that 2x plus 3 plus x minus 6, these two angles sum is of, because their sum is of 180 degree. So now we'll be moving, this is a variable, right place, this is a variable, right place, number, wrong place, number, wrong place. So we'll be moving the numbers. So how will we do moving? 2x plus 3 plus x minus 6 is equal to 180. So plus 3 to be removed by minus 3, and to make it balanced, we'll do the same on the other side, minus 3. And minus 6 to be removed by plus 6. So we'll be doing plus 6 on the other side. So now these are cancelled. These are cancelled. 0, 0. So only 2x plus x remains. 2x plus x is equal 180 minus 3 is 177, and 177 plus 6 is how much? We'll check it out. That it is 183 degree. Now 2x is here. Now 2x plus 1x. If there is no number, it means there is 1 in before of it. So this is 1x. So 2x plus 1x is of 3x is equal
3x is equal to 183.
Yeah. Now we'll be removing, because this number we don't need, so we'll be removing it by not minus because it's multiplying. So to make it cancel by
We will divide it by 3.
And to make this balance,
Also
we'll do the
that
same
three.
on the other side. Yes.
Six are green and ones are three.
Yes. Yes. This will give us
Sir,
3
61.
ones are
X is equal to
3
6.
6 are
61.
yes. So x is
61.
equal 61 degrees. You are
61.
right. Great job you have done. All of you have done a great job. I'm very happy to see this. Now, one more. You have seen this, that you have done a complicated problem as well. Now come to angles and a point. What about this one? Is this an angle at a point? Means 360 degree? Huh?
Yes.
So it
Yes.
means we'll say that sum of all these angles will be, sum of all angles will be of 360. Huh? So one is of C, other is of 63, other is of 50 degree, other is of 75 degree, and other is of 110 degree. Now let's check it out. How will we solving it? It will be solved like this, that will be in this way, that we say that C plus 63 plus 50 plus 75 plus 110, and this all makes is complete angle. This all makes complete angle of 360 degrees. So that's why we'll say that this is sum is of 360 degrees. Now, what we'll be doing? These all are of wrong place, so we'll be moving to the other side. So we'll say that C is equal 360 minus, I'm doing
Sir,
it in short, minus 63, minus 50, minus 75, minus 110. So now let's check it out. How much is calculation? Now I need your help. You need to tell me about this because I am very weak in mathematics like this.
298.
You are much more stronger than me, and you need to tell me.
298.
Okay. Now, anyone else?
82.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Now, try to find out the right solution. C is equal 62 degree. But I'm happy that you have tried with your best and you have done a good job. Now, come to the slide again. Angle at a point. We have done this now. Now there's one problem. Another problem is little bit technical is waiting for us, and that is this. This is not so much technical. This is easy. Now, could you do this
Yes.
now? Try to do this.
Yes.
Try to do this. Yes. Could anyone tell me about this value?
Sir, 114.
Okay, what else? What else? There is E and 117 and 146. So now we'll be doing that E plus 117. We'll be writing like this. We'll be solving now. Let's see how we'll be doing it now. This will be look like that. This is E plus 117 plus 146 is equal 360 degree. So it means E is equal 360 minus 117 and minus 146 because these are prime, right? So E is equal 90,
96. 6.
9,
95.
97.
Sir, 96.
Sir, 96.
Sure. Check it out. 97. It is not 97. Let's check it out. 360 minus 117. First, I'm subtracting this one. So we carry, it becomes 5. So it becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And then 5 minus 1 is 4 and 243. Now subtracting 146. 146. And then we are carrying 1. It becomes 3. And then 13 minus 6 is how much? It is of 7. And 13 is here. So we'll take carry here 1. It becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 is 90. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's why its answer is 97. Okay. So like this you have to do it whenever you are doing it. So if you are confused, you may do simple subtraction. Okay. So well attempt, good attempt. You all of you have done a good job. Now what about this one? You can see this one, and now I'm showing you the rest, and this one. Okay, so you will
Sir,
be solving these types of problem, and this one. This is vertically opposite angle. I'll be sharing with you the same slide, and you will be solving the rest of the problem. These two problems I have left for you. Now let's see this example. This is an example of vertically opposite angle. And you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So if this is x plus 16, this is equal to 4x minus 5. 4x minus 5, because these are vertically opposite angles. So let's check it out how we'll be solving. We'll be saying that if both angles are vertically opposite angle, so it means these are equal. So we'll say that x plus 16 is equal 4x minus 5. Okay, because these are vertically opposite angle. So now this makes an equation. So this is the right place, this is wrong place, this is wrong place, this is the right place. So we'll be moving the wrong number, wrong place number. So x plus 16 is equal 4x. I'm placing now position 5. So now I'm removing plus 16 by putting minus 16. Okay, so it becomes minus 16 here as well, and 4x will be, because this was the wrong place, so this will be replaced by minus 4x, so it will be minus 4x here as well. So now these will be cancelled, these will be cancelled. Now we have 4x minus 4x, different signs, so we'll be subtracting 4x minus 1x is 3x and the greater number sign, and minus 16 minus 5 is minus 21, same sign means we'll be adding. And now we have minus 3 with this, so we'll be removing by minus 3, and to make it balance minus 3.
7.
It cancels, yes, well done. It cancels, so it cancels, and 3 7 is also x is equal 7. So we can do like this, okay? So like this is a problem. We have done it. Now we can see the rest of the problem is here. This is also the same type of problem. I would advise you to try to solve this one. Now this is about a complete angle. This is about a complete angle. And we know that the sum of complete angle is of 360 degrees. Sum of complete angle is of 360 degrees. So that's why we'll be adding these all, and we're saying that this is of 360 degrees. So let's see that how we'll be doing. 2x minus 23, and one is of 3x, one is of 45, one is of x plus 44. So we'll say that, now let's check it out, that this is the last question, then we'll be leaving our class. Now this is, so we'll say that these all are of complete angles, so that's why 3x plus 45 plus x plus 44 plus 2x minus 23 is of 180, sorry, not 180, this is of 360 degree. This is of 360 degree. Why? Because this is of complete angle, and complete angle is of 360 degree. So now we are rearranging it, arranging the variables at the same side. So 3x plus another x plus another x, 2x plus, now we'll be arranging the number 45 plus 44 minus 23 is equal 360. So now we'll be adding these numbers. So 3x plus 1 is 4x, 4x plus 2x is 6x, plus 45 plus 44 is 89. 89 minus 23. 89 minus 23 is 6 and 6, so 66 is equal 360 degree. Now in this equation we can see that this is a right place, this is a wrong place, so we need to remove this. So 6x plus 66 is equal to 360. And now we'll be removing it. Minus 66 and minus 66. So it cancel. So 360 minus 66 is 254. 6x is equal to 254. Now how will be removing it? We'll be dividing it by 6 and do the same thing on the other side. Okay. So we'll get that this is cancelled. So x is equal to 254 divided by 294. Sorry, it's 94.
Sir,
294. 294. And now this will be 294. 294 will be dividing it by 6. 6 4 are 24 and 5 and 4. So 9s are 54. So this is 49. So x is equal 49.
54.
So like this you can do it.
49.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So like this you may solve these types of problem which will be having angle at a point and you see some sort of complicated equation, but don't you have to be worried about this one. Okay. So hope you understand this one. And if you need any problem, any guideline you need, you may ask me. Thank you very much for this one. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.
Allah.